new parts.
Wow.
And they put in the same place, the original place.
All right.
And he measured it as precisely.
I got a couple machines that I put before the welding. I put the meshes, everything.
So are you training people to help you do this? You do it all yourself?
Nobody stay here. Just stay here for a couple of weeks.
Oh,
This is too much work.
Too much work?
Yeah.
Did that guy leave?
I find the sometimes somebody come and help me. Just stay a couple of weeks. And they say, "Oh no, it's too much work. I don't help you no more."
But they don't realize that if they learned it, they can make good money. You know?
It's good money, but nobody works too much.
See, but you also have to like what you do.
Is that guy stop coming? No, he stopped coming?
You remember that the young man?
Yeah.
No more.
No more.
3 weeks, that's it.
Too much work.
See, but you have to like what you do. So you obviously like what you do.
Yeah.
But, you know.
It's not too many people's working that kind of work right here.
No.
It's too much time to stay here.
Yeah.
I stay here Monday to Saturday. So I will here tomorrow too. I take maybe 3-4 hours in my house. That's it. That's why I don't find somebody is coming here at the same time.
Right. So John, have you had enough gloating over your vehicle?
Almost.
Almost, because we need to get going. It's 4:33.